Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Here we have to scroll and find more connectivity options. Scroll down again to find reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth and tap on reset settings. Confirm everything with your screen lock. Confirm it with OK. Be aware because you cannot undo this action. OK, and basically this is it. We've got this information which confirms that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.